Hi everyone, this is Liz again, the actress in Los Angeles, going to teach you a few tips and tricks about the acting trade and how to get by to success. So, acting is seriously important, but what's really important too is skill sets, because you've got to make sure that you're beyond everybody else and so that you've got extra things to give. So on your resume, on my resume, I've got down that I'm a professional ballet dancer and I do point work and tap, badminton, tennis, horse riding, sword fighting, and a few other things. So I'm gonna just prove to you guys that I can do it because that's very important, that you can do what you say you can do on your skill sets. So for ballet, see? Easy as that. So that's my first skill. I would say I was pretty professional because I can go on point on my skill set. So if anyone needs an actress out there who is also a ballet dancer, like Black Swan 2, then give me a shout. I'm available.